Let's be real. Every industry has their own personal tragedy, tapi sedikit yang menyedihkan dan sekaligus seinspirasional kayak kisah Telltale. Studio yang bikin kita nangis gara-gara pilihan dialog. Tapi gue rasa kita semua punya satu momen Telltale yang nyangkut di kepala. But sadly, gak semua cerita punya happy ending. Atau mungkin sebenarnya punya, but not just quite as you imagine it. Awalnya mereka cuma bikin game poker night. Iya, game poker. With a cameo from every game, from every franchise that you may know of. Sampai akhirnya mereka membuat Walking Dead, Wolf Among Us, Batman, every Telltale game that you ever know of. And everything they made goes boom. Dan mereka bukan cuma bikin game, mereka bikin konsekuensi. Pilihan lo nggak cuma dialog, itu anxiety simulator. Success gives you hunger, and hunger gives you greed. Telltale mulai ngejar big license, like Game of Thrones, Guardian of the Galaxy, Borderlands, and every quarter they need to make a new game. So, engine jadul dipasang maraton, dev burn out, production blown out. Itu sih bukan pipeline, itu treadmill yang nyala speed 15. And at the end, in 2018, the studio went shut down. Investornya cabut, hundreds of dead got laid off, and the funny thing is, studio ini mati bukan karena nggak laku. They died because they forgot what made them a success. Tapi ini bagian terbaiknya. Game bisa mati, but the people who made the game, they don't. Tim OG-nya ngumpul lagi, bawa semangat yang sama, but this time, without the corporate baggage. Basically, this is a Telltale version of a clean slate. No microtransaction, no investor breathing down your neck, just vibes. And now, Ad Hoc Studio is born. Dan mereka langsung drop Dispatch, a superhero workplace comedy dengan writing yang actually fresh, episodic, witty, chaotic, but deep. And the cast? Insane. They got Aaron Paul, Jeffrey Wright, the cast from Critical Roles, and a bunch of YouTubers that you may know of. This isn't just a small comeback. Dispatch itu kayak, what if Telltale finally touch grass and have fun? This story tells us that money keeps the studio running, but passion keeps the studio alive. Dan kalau industri gaming terus ngejar save title, live service, microtransaction, narrative game bakal tetap jadi korban pertama. Kecuali ada dev yang bilang, bro, gue cuma mau bikin cerita bagus. Dan buat gue, kita butuh studio kayak Ad Hoc. Studio yang gak takut bikin game, ya game. Bukan KPI simulator, bukan Battle Pass rhythm game. Telltale died because of greed, but they respond because of people who love making stories. Dan kalau itu bukan plot twist terbaik di industri gaming, gue nggak tahu apa lagi. So, did you play Dispatch? Atau minimal lu nonton cutscene-nya sebelum tidur?